Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file a copyright application easy method. Start by choosing the correct registration path and create an account on the official portal. Then select the type of work, complete the online form carefully, upload your deposit copy, pay the filing fee with a card, and submit. I will guide you through screenshots, common pitfalls, and tips to speed up processing so you can protect your creative work confidently. Create or log into your account and choose the registration form that matches your work type. Then enter accurate claimant and author details, double-check titles and dates, attach the deposit file in the required format, and complete the payment step with a credit card or other accepted method. I will walk you through each field, why details matter, and how to avoid common rejection reasons so your submission goes through smoothly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, long-lasting scent that keeps you focused on work while driving. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then get comfortable, and now let's get back to the video. After submission, review the fee and payment confirmation on screen, save the receipt and confirmation number, and download any PDFs provided immediately. You will receive an email acknowledging receipt and later notices if the office needs clarifications. So watch your inbox, respond promptly to any office actions, and store all documents securely because they prove your registration and can be crucial if you need to enforce your rights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.